Healthy bites for little delights. Indian recipes for kids. Hey parents, let's spice up nutrition for our little ones with these easy and healthy Indian recipes. Here are some delicious ideas. Paneer tikka skewer, a protein-packed delight with colorful veggies. Vegetable paratha rolls. Sneak in those veggies with whole wheat parathas rolled up with lots of love. Masala oats upma, a savory twist to oats, packed with veggies and aromatic spices. Chapati pizza. Transform those boring chapatis into mini pizzas with wholesome toppings. Fruit chaat, a refreshing mix of seasonal fruits with a hint of chaat masala. Moong dal chila, protein-rich pancakes made from moong dal batter. Sweet potato cutlets, healthy and tasty cutlets with the goodness of sweet potatoes. So share your creations. Let's make nutrition a flavorful journey for our